Alright, we're going to import some packages now. But first, I realized I named the lobby scene erroneously. It should be login scene. So I'm going to fix that now. Please do that yourself. Lobby scene, right mouse, and rename login space scene. Reload, yes please. Alright, so now let's get with the import. So on Canvas, in the lab, you'll see there's a few packages we need to import. Importing Unity packages. So these links are all to OneDrive shares. Let's start with Ironhead Games. These are assets that we'll use for this multiplayer game. So I'm going to click on that. We're at the OneDrive page, and I'm going to click Download now. And a Unity package will be downloaded in Unity now. I'm going to say File. No, I'm going to say Assets. Import package, custom package. And then make my way to downloads directory, game assets underscore multiplayer VR. So like that. And to import everything. So everything will be checked by default. So once this guy pops up, I can simply say import. That may take a bit, so I'll pause for a second. Now we're going to import Dracarys Interactive again. We're going to add to what we already have here. So back in Canvas, click on the next OneDrive link, Dracarys Interactive. Click on that. And we want to go up here to the left and click Download and do the same operation. Assets, import package, custom package. Go over to Downloads folder and we should see Dracarys Interactive. Open. Then we want to import everything. Pause here a second. Alright, that is imported. Let's go back. Canvas. And click on Import Teleport Reticle. Download it. Back to Unity. Assets, import package, custom package. Teleport Reticle. Open. All assets are already in your project. Alright, that's cool. So I think that's because that teleport reticle came from the multiplayer assets originally. I'm going to save this login scene. Make sure I changed. And I'm going to just run in Unity just to make sure everything compiles and kind of works. Avatar comes up. I test avatar. Oh, that looks good. Alright, I think we'll end it there and pick it up in the next video.